Hi, this is Sejal Jay. So the things you can take up in the demo class for converting the child is first, just make the child comfortable. It is very important for a child to be comfortable with you and to like you. Okay, so you can take up any game. It could be related to maths or some other game. Okay, after the game you can go with abacus definition. What is the meaning of abacus? Then you go for history of abacus. When was it invented and where it was invented for the first time. Then go for different parts of abacus like upper beats, lower beats, value bar, unit dot, frame. What is the value of upper beat? 5. What is the value of lower beat? 1. Go with the basics and go very slow. In between, ask questions to child. If he is able to answer the question, try to encourage more because it increases his confidence and he likes you more. Okay, then go for representing numbers on abacus. Okay, again ask questions. Even if we go wrong, no problem, encourage the child. Okay, try to create a bond with the child. Okay, that is the most important thing, and these things you can cover in your demo sessions. For representing numbers, you can go up to 2 digits if required. Just go for 40 minutes demo and keep 20 minutes for explaining benefits of abacus to child as well as parents, because the parents at the end are only interested in what my child is going to learn. So it is very important for you to make them understand what is the benefit of abacus, how it could benefit your child. So give 15 to 20 minutes for that. Give 15 to 20 minutes with child and parents. Thank you.